Hello, beautiful people. Hello, everyone. Hello to my dearly beloved family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting this channel. I really do appreciate. But before I start, a very wonderful Merry Christmas celebration to each and every one of us, my beloved AGATHA, my family. I can't just do without you. Thank you so dearly for always supporting. I really appreciate. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, this is AGATHA Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. Please, this year, the bat's running to an end. Do well to subscribe and join this beautiful family.
Hello, get in here, 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 get in here very quickly. Once I get any attention, I will hit it very fast. 5 minutes broadcast, 5 minutes, just 5 minutes broadcast, not more than 8 minutes. Get in here, share this broadcast quickly. Please share it, share it, share it, share it, share. Please, I give you 60 seconds to share. Share it, please. I beg you in the name of Chuko Kabiama, share. This is a very important message. And because we are starting on a very speedy pace, thank you so much, my beloved, sweet sister, and so for Henrietta Obi Gili Obi Biafra. Thank you so much. Please share. Viens quoi, Spotty, viens quoi. That's my beautiful dog. Potty, viens quoi. Okay, you see? Yeah, that's my little friend here. So please share. Share very quickly. 60 seconds, and that's it. Okay, and now I go. Thank you so much. Wise Pat, thank you for joining me. Thank you so much. Insima and Selbong, thank you for joining me. Please help me to share this broadcast. I beg you. Share this broadcast very quickly. Thank you so much. I will appreciate it if you help me to share it. Mazi and Sima, thank you so much. Just help me share it because it's just 5 minutes broadcast and it will be spot on. I just finished listening to Simon Ekpa right now, where he buttressed his point on the Igodomigodo issue. And why am I coming to do this very quickly? There on that platform, why Simon was doing this broadcast, Mazi Simon Ekpa played the voice of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He played the voice of our leader, and every one of us, including the DOS, the fallen angels, including the dethroned angels, including the Facebook warriors, every one of us, including myself, including Simon Ekpa, including Mazin Sima, including Biafra Unite, every one of us claim to be children or obedient servants of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu in this Biafra struggle, every one of us. But what surprises me is this. Mazi Simon Ekpa is playing the voice of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And everybody's hearing it that our leader is the one speaking. Despite the fact that they are hearing the voice of our leader, they are insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are insulting Mazi Simon Ekpa and telling him that he is lying. He is lying. Our leader said there is something about Idu. There is something about Igodomigodo. It came from the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It was not Simon Ekpa that said it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said it from his voice. He was the one that said it. You all heard his voice. People on that same platform listening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are telling Simon Ekpa that he is lying about what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying. Now the question is this: why are you rejecting the man you called your leader just because Mazi Simon Ekpa is the one playing his voice? Can you in any way explain that to me? Does it make any sense to any of you? Now, do you know why I am trying to make this very, very critical and very, very spot on? It's for you to know why we need to focus now. And everyone you see insulting Simon Ekpa, insulting Mazin Sima, insulting Biafra Unite, and insulting me because we are sharing the messages or the broadcast of Simon Ekpa, because we are standing with Umuada and Nelly Ofebu, then you know that anyone that is fighting us, you know that they are enemies of Biafra. They are enemies of Nnamdi Kanu. They are obviously, blatantly rejecting Nnamdi Kanu. It was Nnamdi Kanu that was speaking, and they heard his word, his voice, and they are telling Simon Ekpa that he is lying. I don't know how to explain it. I cannot place it. I cannot phantom it. It beats my imagination. I can't explain. So please, I want you to understand that what we are fighting is a very huge enemy. And if you love Nnamdi Kanu and your eyes are on the ball, you need to focus and know who your enemies are. Simple and short. Nnamdi Kanu is the one speaking. Simon Ekpa is playing it. He is not the one saying it. He's playing what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. And people are cursing and insulting Simon Ekpa because he is playing the voice of Nnamdi Kanu. Can you explain it for me? Can you explain it for me? We are fighting principalities and powers inside Biafra. We are fighting principalities and powers inside IPOB. We are fighting principalities and powers amongst the DOS brethren. This is huge. This is huge. I honestly cannot believe it. It beats my imagination. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. And so, please, I want you to understand what we are up against. We are up against a very diabolical enemy, and that enemy is within. We are fighting against a very familiar enemy, a very demonic, wicked, foul spirit from the bottomless pit of hell, and they are amongst us. They are amongst us crying, "Oh hey Biafra." They are amongst us shouting IPOB. They are among us shouting, "We are children of Nnamdi Kanu. We want Biafra." They are amongst us. They are amongst us. So you know who your enemies are right now. You are hearing the voice of Nnamdi Kanu just because it is Simon Ekpa playing it, just because it is Nsima playing it, just because it is Biafra Unite that is playing it, just because it is Raphael Chamaka Ajere that is talking about it. You hate us. What does it mean? You are rejecting Nnamdi Kanu. You don't love him. You never believed him. You are not with us. You are enemy. And Chukwu Okike Abiama Pụrụ Ime Ihe Niile is about to separate the chaff from the wheat. And soon and very soon, every one of you will be cut down. Every one of you that are enemies of this struggle will be cut down and will be completely deleted from the face of the earth. Do you know why? Many have died. Ikonso have died. Many Biafran souls have died. And what you are doing is to jeopardize what they died for. You will not succeed. Whether you are in the DOS, whether you are in wherever Biafra radio or TV warrior, you will all be cut down. Every one of you. Just the death of these our gallant men, the death of Ikonso, is never going to be in vain. Share this broadcast, let them see it. Chike Doziem, if you don't repent, you will be cut down. You will perish. Chinasanworu, if you don't repent, you will be cut down. Do you know why? I know you will not repent because your soul have already been sold to the devil. Chike Doziem, I know you will not repent. Chinasanworu, you will not repent. You have eaten the forbidden fruits and now you are running naked. You are running naked. Chinasanworu is not running naked. Chike Doziem is running naked. All these Efulefu, Alamajari, Biafra, E-warriors, E-rats, you are all running naked. You will all be cut down. Raphael Chamaka Ajere have spoken. I will be back. God bless you.
So, my wonderful family, this is a very strong message. He that have ears, let him hear. I just hope to see a new Biafra agitators. I just hope to see the unity and that particular love that speaks very soon. I wish to see unity and transparency. I wish to see the strength and the energy of oneness. So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.